Hello everyone, today we are going to study the chapter electric current and its effect. So the first thing which we should study in this particular chapter is that what is this electric current? So electric current is the flow of electricity in a conducting material, and that electric current flows through a circuit, and we demonstrate that particular circuit through various symbols, circuit components through various symbols, that is the cell, battery, bulb, switch, which can be open and closed also. Now this circuit symbol is arranged in a closed and continuous path. Whatever the components are there of the circuit, they are arranged in a closed and continuous path which forms circuit diagram. We can see here. So this circuit diagram comprises of bulb, wire, switch and battery. The difference between battery and cell, we can see here that whatever the cell is there and the battery is there, battery is simply, it is a combination of cell. Now let us see a model of this particular electric circuit here. We can see here whatever this model is there, a switch is there, LED strap, that is the form of a bulb is there, wire and a cell is here. Now it is forming, right now it is not forming any closed and continuous path, that is why the bulb is not lighted. But we will see here that when a closed and continuous path is formed, when the circuit is closed here, whatever this, so whatever electricity flows or electric current flows, that flows through only with the closed circuit. So when the circuit will be closed, then electricity will flow, and we can see here the bulb is lighted. In this particular case, it will be called as closed circuit, and right now it is open circuit. One more thing I would like to discuss here, that we have studied about two things in this particular chapter, two more things, that is conductor and insulators. Whatever electric current flows, that only flows through the conductors, that is the conducting materials. So right now we see here that if this particular wire is connected or attached with this particular board, then the bulb is not lighted. It simply means that it is an insulator. This board is an insulator. But let us bring it near to this particular metal strap of this board and let's see what happens. So I am not connecting here the wire, the one end of the wire with the other end. But then also we can see here that this wire is not connected with the other end of the wire. But we can see that when it is connected with the metal strap of the board, then it is